Game?
Yes.
Yes, hi.
Two.
Can you, for the record, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Kelsey Merritt, and I'm a model.
Yes, yes. Everyone knows that because you're famous. So we're here right now at Pradera Verde,
Pradera.
di ba? Pradera Verde for the Summer Fest. So are you one of the participants who will be demonstrating or exhibition?
No, well, I'm not
You're one
that
of the
good in
guests?
wakeboard. Yeah, so I'm a guest. I'll be participating in the games.
Yes, oh, the games.
Yeah.
So you'll be part of the Amazing Race.
Yes, that's what they call it.
Yeah, they call it the Amazing Race.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and so, pero you know how to wakeboard.
I've tried. I'm not good. I can't do those like tricks,
Mhm.
but I could stand for a
But
while.
you can last for several minutes on a wakeboard.
Seconds pa lang.
Seconds pa
Yeah,
lang.
I haven't done like a full
Uh,
circle yet.
pero half circle.
Yes.
Ah, really? Okay.
I'm slowly learning.
So is this your first time, second time, or
I've gone a couple because I live in Angeles, so there's like
Pampanga?
a
Ah,
yeah, so
very
it's
near.
very near here. So I go and learn a lot. I go here a lot.
You go here a lot. So this is your fourth time, fifth time, sixth time.
Oh yeah, I've been going here.
And you'll be here until tomorrow.
Yes.
Until tomorrow.
Yes, I think so.
Yes. And what can you say about wakeboarding? Is
Well, wakeboarding, people think it's really hard,
Mhm.
but if you really know, if a good teacher parang tells you the right ways on how to do it,
Mhm.
if it's really easy now. I guess like people are hesitant to do it because it looks hard, but you just have to try it.
So there are other wakeboarding parks, right?
Yeah.
So there's one in Camsur, one in
Uh-huh.
Batangas, and so on,
Yeah.
Bali. So which do you think is your favorite?
Honestly, like I like this wakeboard because it's clean, it's
Mm.
big, the air is really fresh, and I like the area. It's like secluded from the city, so you get to like have a vacation.
And are you aware that this will be also be the venue for the
Hot
Lubao
air
Hot
balloon?
Air
Oh, yeah,
Balloon
of
Festival?
course. I'm so excited for that.
So you'll be coming there as well.
Yes,
That's
I'll be here.
on
Definitely.
April 14 to 17.
Yes, that's correct.
Yes. Okay, can we do the greet or the shout? What's up, Filipinas?
Okay, what's up, Filipinas? Thank you.
Okay, can I have a photo again?